This is what you can get for $30 on AliExpress. Meet the Note Edge Mercury that I just unboxed a few days ago, and it has already become one of my favorites. In this video, I'll be sharing everything about it to make you spend $30, but a little request before starting, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for the future videos, and you can also subscribe to Unbox with iMAT for the latest unboxings. It features a 43.5mm zinc alloy case with 50mm lug-to-lug length. The case thickness is 14.1mm. On the top we have a 1.35 inches glass area with the analog clock, days of the week and an FSTN screen here. The FSTN screen looks really nice, and even when it's dark there won't be any issue. You'll be seeing an LED light here which will glow up at the night so you can easily read the time. The LED light has the raise to wake gesture, and whenever you will raise your hand it will automatically turn on so you can check out the time at night. After that, it uses TPU straps. The width of the strap pin is 22mm, while the area that you will be seeing is 25mm. And if you try it out on the wrist, then it weighs only 101 grams and will fit comfortably on every wrist size. And as the weight is not too heavy nor too light, so it will be quite comfortable to wear for all day. The Note Edge Mercury is rated 5 ATM level waterproof, making it suitable for swimming. But if the water is too hot, contains chemicals and is high in pressure, then it's better to take it off. After that, we get 4 buttons on the body, 2 on each side. On the right side we have the light and the start key, while on the left side we have the adjust and the mode key. You can use this button to light up the display anytime. Then the lower one on this side can be used to check out the date. After that, you can check out the time zone. Here it is showing KHI since I'm using the Karachi's time zone as I'm in Pakistan. The lower one on this side can be used to check out the rest of the functions. So now let's take a look at them. So first of all, you all might be confused how to set time on it. So you'll have to press and hold this upper key, and after that it will take you to the settings. First of all, you can select the time zone. Here I have selected Karachi, which is KHI. You can use these keys to switch between the time zones. After that, use this lower one to go to the daylight saving time. I'm gonna keep it turned off, then move forward to the next option. We have the 24 hours and 12 hours clock format here. You can again use these keys to switch between the values, then press it once again, and now we are in the time. First of all, you can adjust the seconds by using these keys. Then press this lower one to move to the hours. Again, use these keys to change the value. Then press this button again to move to minutes. Then press it again. Now we're in the year. It comes with a full calendar inside it and will automatically adjust the day once you set the date here. Press once again to move to the month and the date. The date is set right. It is 10th of November today. Let's press it once again, and now you can turn on the sound of the keys, and pressing it one last time you can adjust the time of the light. I'm gonna set it to 3 seconds. So now the time is set. I'm gonna press this key to save it, and here you can see that it is automatically adjusting the time. Isn't it amazing? It's so satisfying to see. Here you can see that it stopped when it matched the time on the digital clock. So I've adjusted the time to 11:51 so we can have a clear look at the screen. You can see that it has also adjusted the day as it is 10th of November and today is Monday. And since we turned on the sound of the keys, so now you'll be listening this throughout the video. So first of all, here you will get the WT, which is the world time. Here you can take a look at all of the time zones. We have Mexico here, and it will change the time of the other countries according to the time you have set for your country. And since Mexico is 11 hours behind Pakistan, because Pakistan is GMT +5 and Mexico is GMT -6. Just like this, you can press the adjust button and switch between other time zones. Now let's press the mode button once again. We have the stopwatch. So you can press this button to start the stopwatch, and if you want to stop it and reset it to 0, press this key and then press this one, and it will reset to 0. Now let's move to timer by pressing the mode key. To adjust the timer, you will have to press and hold the adjust key once again. And now we are in setting mode, and now I've set it to 1 minute and 53 seconds. Now just press this button once again and then press this start key. And here you can see that 1 minute 50 seconds timer has started. So let's see what it will do once the timer ends. So 3, 2 and 1. So now the timer has ended, and as you can see here that it has started to play this tune. You can press any key to stop it. After that, we get the alarms. So you can set up to 5 alarms, and it also comes with the early alarm, and the alarm will ring whenever it is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock or so on. Once again, to set an alarm, you will have to press and hold the set key, and after that you can adjust the time and turn the alarm on or off. And after that we'll be back to the time. And these were all of the functions of the North Edge Mercury. So what did you think about it? In my opinion, it's worth way more than $30. Currently the Black Friday sale is going on, so if you are interested, you can find the purchase link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link while purchasing. For the upcoming videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And you can also check out my watches playlist in the description box below. I will see you in the next one.